In the third episode of Edinburgh, after visiting Holyrood Park, we continue towards Royal Mile. Those of you who are new to our channel are requested to watch the previous episode, Edinburgh episode 03, and these links are given in descriptions box below and in the I button above. In the third episode, we have visited Holyrood Park, St. Margaret Loch, Queen's Gallery, Scottish Parliament, and the Holyrood House. In this episode, we are going to visit Royal Mile, and it takes about 30 minutes to walk to Royal Mile from Holyrood Park. So let's take a quick look at the road map. From Holyrood Park, we came back to Queen's Drive and we continue to walk to Canongate Road. From Canongate Road, it will take another 10 minutes to reach the Royal Mile. And finally, we are at the entrance of the Royal Mile. The Royal Mile is the busiest tourist street and the main thoroughfare of the old town of the city of Edinburgh in Scotland. The Royal Mile runs between two significant locations in the royal history of Scotland. One is Edinburgh Castle and another is Holyrood Palace. The total length of the street between the castle and the palace is almost exactly a mile, hence the name, the Royal Mile. As you walk along the Royal Mile, you will see many statues, monuments and cathedrals. St. Giles Cathedral is one of them. It is also known as the High Kirk of Edinburgh. The current building was begun in the 14th century and extended until the early 16th century. And then many significant alterations happened in this church in 19th and 20th century. This is a Gothic style cathedral which is the main church of the Church of Scotland, and it has the height of 52 feet and length of 196 feet. As we went further, the melody of this bagpipe became louder, which reminds us the history of great Highland bagpipes of Scotland, and also got the glimpse of a bagpiper who was basking with the great Highland bagpipes on the street wearing the national costume with the great pride and joy. Let me tell you about this sculpture as well. This is the sculpture of David Hume by Alexander Stoddard on the Royal Mile. David Hume was a Scottish Enlightenment philosopher, historian, economist, librarian, and essayist. He is best known for his highly influential system of philosophical empiricism, skepticism, and naturalism. He also wrote a book on psychological basis of human nature named A Treatise of Human Nature. And friends, there are 5 streets which make up the Royal Mile are the Canongate, Abbey Strand, the High Street, the Castle Hill, and the Lawn Market. Besides the history, what I really liked about the Royal Mile is the various types of small and big stores, which can be mainly found at the Lawn Market. The shopping lover can really enjoy this part of the Royal Mile. Today, the majority of shops in these streets are aimed at tourists. Though linen is the main product sold, but you will also get the variety of items such as yarn, stockings, coarse cloth, and other similar articles. We are now at the top of the Royal Mile, and this street is named Castle Hill. Now we reached at the top of the Royal Mile, and this street is named as the Castle Hill, and this tall building is called as the Hub. The Hub is a public arts and events building which is a prominent landmark as its tall Gothic spire is the highest point in the central Edinburgh. We have almost reached at the end of the Royal Mile, which meets the ultimate tourist attractions of Edinburgh is the Edinburgh Castle. So friends, let's go and enjoy the wide length of the outside of the castle and its surroundings. Edinburgh Castle is the most exciting historic site in Western Europe. It has a royal history of Scotland since at least the Iron Age. And if you also wish to experience this historic beauty, please stay with us and keep watching our next vlog coming soon. So friends, we are closing this blog right here and we'll come up with the tour blog of Edinburgh Castle in next episode. And if you are really enjoying our travel box, don't forget to hit the like button and share. Also, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so that you can be notified as soon as we upload our new vlog. Till then, take care and bye.